Good afternoon, Matthew here. We are just going to get Kelly the goat, the goatest of all time, move her out of her grazing zones where she's been hanging around all afternoon, and we're going to take her a little closer to the house. Sort of goat shelter that we have set up. Ratty's here to help me out. Rat?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's Kelly. Kelly, are you still afraid of me? Hey, Kel. Kel. You're alright, girl. You're alright. You're alright, girl. Alright, Kelly's a little warming up to me. Let's get Kelly out of here. And hopefully there's not crazy rain like last night. Okay. She's kind of tied up in the bush, right? Got it?
Yeah, let's watch it.
Okay, come on, Kelly. Come on, Kel. Come on, girl. Come on.
Come on, Kelly.
Come on, Kelly.
Alright, let me go back up Kelly.
Come on, Kelly.
Come on!
Kelly, come cooperate, please. Come on, let's go. Come on, Kelly.
No, Mato, no, stop.
Ah, put down the wire. Come on, Kelly. She's stubborn, eh?
Ah, there you are.
Thank you. Okay, Kel. Come on.
One.
Come on, girl. There.
Ah,
There you go. Good girl. I'm going to tie you up by your house, Kel. No. Wrong way, Kelly. Come on.
Kelly.
Kelly.
Yep. There you are.
There you go.
Good girl.
Good girl.
Where you going?
As a new goat owner, I have no idea what I'm doing. Kelly.
Mato, where you going? No. You gotta eat the flowers.
Come on, Kelly.
Not the dark side. Go that way.
Come on.
Come on, Kelly.
Oh, it's tied up under her arm. Careful. There we go.
Come on, Kelly.
Here, let go. Kelly, work with me.
It's not Kelly house.
No, it's gonna fall down tonight, man. If there's any wind, that house is going down. I want to get another piece of ply and put it over here for her. Just tie her up to the banana tree.
Yeah.
All right, Kelly, I'm tying you around here. Oh, come here. Okay, Kel. You all right? Oop. All right, it's got a little, what do they call this knot again? Some kind of a hitch. I learned in camp when I was a kid. It'll work as long as the storm's not crazy. Hey, Kelly, I'm gonna see if I can get that jackfruit skin to feed you. If you want some jackfruit.
Kelly, look over here.
Nice house.
Kelly, look over here.
Bah. So it's still the first week of being a goat owner, and she's still pretty shy, cooperating a little more, but as usual, you try to bribe with food and hope it helps.
There we are.
Oh, we just dashed it here?
Yeah.
Here, let me see it.
We need to cut it off. Well, we can feed it.
There's too many ants on it.
It doesn't go. It's good.
They don't care?
Yeah.
All right, let me just get one little piece and try. The jackfruit skin, oh, it smells strong. Maybe she's gonna like it.
Come on.
Let me try this one first.
Kelly, put it on him board.
Kelly,
Right, that's it.
try that.
Come over here, come over here. One like you're walking around.
Just pretend like you don't care. Hey man, whatever. Do, just doing my business, walking around. See what Kelly does. Don't even care. Couldn't care at all. Huh. She's checking it out.
Yeah, hide. Look in the house.
Okay, let's sit in the house. We're sitting in the goat house. We'll just pretend like nothing's happening. Get out of there, Buggy. She's thinking about it.
I need to put this phone right on here to block her.
No.
Oh, I cannot see it.
Oh, so she can't see us?
Yeah.
Like the other goats aren't as shy. I wonder if even they will eat some jackfruit skin. Let me see if Chocho wants some. Okay, Chocho. Jackfruit skin? Do you like it? What's this one again? Kitty. Kitty. Kitty's the young one. Kitty. You want some? Okay, Kitty's not interested. Chocho? You want some jackfruit skin? Having a sniff. Chocho? I thought goats eat everything. Having a thought? Having a sniff? No? Sniffing. Yeah, that's a yes. That is a yes. Okay, so Chocho likes it. Chocho likes it. Here, man. I'll leave some for you. Yeah.
Remember this?
Is she eating it?
Remember the banana leaf? That's why she eats here.
Mmm.
Come on. Let's get in the goat house. We're gonna put this ear.
Okay.
Something in the car. Eat right here.
Yo, she's eating it.
No, eat right here. Look,
Okay.
Mato. Over here. Eat right here. That's why.
Okay, let's put both of them for her.
Yeah.
Here, Kelly. I'm just gonna put this here. Don't worry.
Alright. Go in the goat house. Go in the goat house. She's gonna eat it. Go in the goat house. She's eating it. Yes, she's eating it. Oops.
Oh, she just wants the banana tree, man. I don't think it's happening.
He's eating it. He's eating the banana leaf. Look. Come on. He doesn't eat it. Oh. Hide.
Chocho ate a little bit,
Yeah.
but I didn't love it, so. Do you know what they do like is watermelon skin. They
Yeah.
love that.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do this. Like, everything like this. And put front of chicken.
Okay, that's a no on jackfruit skin from Kelly. She's being very picky, much pickier than I expected a goat to be. So we're gonna try something else another day. So Kelly's all tied up for the night. We'll graze her somewhere else tomorrow. Did she just take a bite as I was filming that? She's got her mouth full of something. Look. Anyway, we'll try again.